Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can turn your picture as like fantasy movie character. This type of pictures is trending on social media. So let's start. If you want to make this type of picture, then you need to download a application. First open your Play Store and search here prequel. After that download this application. I am already download this application. Now I am going to show you how you can turn your picture like this. Okay, then open your application prequel. One thing, I am also going to download this application, link on my video description below. You can also download this application from there. You can also click here search bar and search avatar, or you can also click here AI effect. Then look fantasy, click here, check it now. There is lots of preset, but I am going to use 3 preset. I am going to use this second preset. Now click here use preset. Then I am going to choose this picture first. Wait few seconds, it's importing my picture. Okay, 100% import complete. Now it's going to process my picture. Look, there say that doing the impossible. Wait few seconds, generating AI magic. Look, it's make my picture as like fantasy movie character. Now you can click here next, then you can click here save photo. Okay, we are make another picture as like fantasy character, but now we are going to use different preset. Now we are going to use this preset. Now click here use preset, same process. Now I am going to use this picture. Again you need to wait few seconds. Now look, it's look awesome. This AI process is awesome. It's give a better result from other AI. Now this is the previous one and that's the after. One thing is noticeable that this shadow, they making also this shadow into a character. That's good. Now you can click here next and also click here save photo and save it. I am not going to save it. Let's make another picture, use another preset. This time I'm going to use this preset. Here is lots of preset you can use. I'm going to use this preset. Again wait few seconds. Okay, done. That's the previous one, that's the after one. So you can also save this picture, click here next and click here save photo. So in this way you guys turn your picture into fantasy movie character. This topic is trending on social media, so that I am making this video on this topic. Thanks for watching.